Very happy birthday of Mothe sir, and I wish wherever he is today, because he is not around us now, wherever he is, he must be looking at you people, he must be looking at the teachers, he must be looking at our institution, and he must be happy to see you all growing. मला त्यांच्या जन्मदिनी तुम्हाला एवढंच सांगायचं आहे की मोठ्या सरांसारखं तुम्ही जिद्दी बनलं पाहिजे. मोठ्या सरांच्या बहिणीच्या लग्नाला बँकांनी कर्ज दिलं नाही म्हणून त्यांनी पतसंस्थाच काढून टाकली. लुक ॲट इट. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट कोणी विरोध करत असेल तर त्याला विरोध म्हणून घेण्याऐवजी त्याला संधी म्हणून पाहायचं. मॅडम ज्युनियर पीटीसी होत्या, त्यांना शासकीय नोकरी लागत नाही म्हणून त्यांनी शाळाच उघडून घेतली आणि त्यांना असं वाटलं की लहान मुलांना बाबासाहेबांच्या या पुत्रांना शिक्षण मिळाल्याशिवाय आजच्या जगामध्ये सर्वाइव्ह होणं फार कठीण आहे आणि म्हणून त्यांनी सहकार क्षेत्रामध्ये एक नावलौकिक मिळवला आणि मुलांसाठी शिक्षणाची दारं उघडे करून देण्यासाठी एक चांगल्या दर्जाच्या शाळा निर्माण केल्या. मला असं वाटतं की त्यांच्याकडून प्रेरणा घेऊन प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी युनिक आहे. सगळेच मुलं मेरिट येत नाहीत, सगळेच मुलं क्रीडा क्षेत्रामध्ये नैपुण्य मिळवत नाहीत, सगळ्याच मुलांना नृत्य येत नाही, सगळेच मुलं, प्रत्येक मुलामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या क्वालिटीज आहेत. तर मला असं वाटतं की प्रत्येक मूल निराळं आहे, प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी युनिक आहे. म्हणून तुम्ही सगळेच विद्यार्थी आपापल्या क्षेत्रात मोठे झाल्यावर एक चांगली उत्तुंग भरारी घ्याल अशीच मला आजच्या दिवशी तुम्हाला शुभेच्छा द्यावीशी वाटते. आजचा दिवस काही खूप जास्त भाषणबाजी करण्याचा नाही आहे. आपल्याला मोठ्या सरांची आठवण करायची आहे, त्यांच्या चांगल्या गुणांचं स्मरण करायचं आहे आणि त्यासाठी आपल्यासोबत धम्मचारी विमल सिद्धी आहेत. ते भंते ओर्गेन संघरक्षकांचे शिष्य आहेत आणि ही वॉज ऑल्सो ए टीचर. मोठे सर पण शिक्षक होते आणि विमल सिद्धी आणि ते त्यांचे एकमेकांचे चांगले मित्र होते. तर मला असं वाटतं की मी अधिक जास्त न बोलता म्हणजे सरांचा आपण पतसंस्थेचा पैलू बघितला, शाळेचा पैलू बघितला, एक धम्मचारी म्हणून पण एक त्यांचं एक व्यक्तिमत्व होतं. म्हणजे फार बिझी काळात सुद्धा ते एका महिन्याच्या शिबिरावर जायचे. त्या शिबिरामध्ये मोबाईल बंद ठेवावा लागत असे, ध्यान साधना 7-7, 8-8 तास करावी लागत असे. इतका मोठा व्याप असताना 50-50, 75-75 कोऱ्या चेकवर सही करून ते शिबिराला जायचे. तर असं ते एक निराळं व्यक्तिमत्व होतं. मला असं वाटतं की त्यांचं स्वप्न आपण सगळ्यांनी मिळून पूर्ण करायला हवं. आपले विद्यार्थी, शिक्षक आणि आपण सगळे मिळून त्यांचं स्वप्न पूर्ण करूया. इथेच थांबतो. थँक्यू. जय भीम.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. जय भीम. नमो बुद्धा. महाकारुणिक भगवान बुद्ध, परमपूज्य बोधिसत्व डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, भंते ओर्गेन संघरक्षकचे आदरणीय दान वज्रजी यांना कोटी कोटी प्रणाम करतो. आणि या ठिकाणी उपस्थित असलेले प्रवीणा मॅडम, पद्ममणी मॅडम, रत्नराज आणि पूर्ण या ठिकाणी उपस्थित असलेले स्टाफ मेंबर्स, all respected teachers and students. First of all, I want to say about you that you are really great because you are getting education in this great institution. Because whatever you are achieving here, you will be great in your life, in your future life. Definitely. I have confidence about you. Dan Vajraji, he was my friend. When he was miss each and every retreat, he was with me. When he was admitted in Corona hospital, I was unknown about him, where he is. When I called him, he spoke with me. I am admitted in Corona hospital. Then his mobile was snatched by that nurse. And she said, you don't know that if a person is admitted in a Corona hospital, nobody should contact with him. I told her, I don't know about him that he is admitted there or not. Therefore, I have contacted him. And then Dan Vajra was not ready to stay there. He said, my friend called me, I have to go now. So now I am thinking that if he would have given permission to go out of hospital, he would be still alive here with us. Very unfortunate thing happened about him in that hospital. Otherwise, he would be with us. Though Dan Vajra has gone away, but his thoughts are in our heart. He is alive in our heart. Due to his great work in this educational field, as well as in banking field, as well as his humanity, and his Dhamma propaganda. Therefore, he is with us. So, my dear students, that you try to keep positive thought in your mind. Sakaratmak vichar. Keep positive thought in your mind. Professor Henry James said, keep positive thought in your mind and be king of the world. So you will be greatest in the world if you are keeping always positive thought. Once what happened, there was a balloon seller. Various kinds of balloons with him. Then a small boy came with near of him, and that small boy said, whether this black balloon will go up in the sky? Black colored balloon. Then that balloon seller said, yes, any color of balloons will go up in the sky. So whatever color may be, color is not important. But that there was helium air in that balloon, and therefore it will go up in the sky. So my dear friends, keep positive thoughts in your mind. You will be definitely great in your life. Again, you have to keep very intense will in your mind. Always. I will give you an example of Socrates. Once a youth visited to Socrates, and he said that how you have become so great in this world, popular in this world. What is the reason? Then Socrates took that youth with him up to the great river, and then he entered that water of river. That water came up to his neck. Then he caught his head and put it to the water. Then that youth jumped very strongly, with powerfully to come out of water to save his life. Then Socrates said, yes, this is the secret of my life. So you keep very strong willpower. Then you will got happiness in your life. You will be great in your life also. So you know that you have to do effort for being great in your life. Once what happened, a biology teacher was teaching in the lab. They were doing experiment. There was some of the eggs of butterfly, small butterfly, and teacher, he has some work, then he has gone out. He said to the student, please, if little butterfly is coming out of that egg, you don't help to that little butterfly. Let it come out. But what happened when teacher has gone outside? Then that egg was broken by that little butterfly and trying to come out. One student gone near that edge and he helped that little butterfly to come out. But actually what happened after coming out, after some moment, that little butterfly died. Why? Because without any effort, he came out of that egg only. So, if that little butterfly would have done effort, then his wings will be very strong. But that has not happened, and therefore that little butterfly died. So my dear friends, so we have to do effort only. Much and much attempt in our daily life for being great. That is most important. So at lastly, Socrates has given 4 tips for being great in life. First means 2 things you have to forget and 2 things you have to keep in your mind. So first thing said Socrates, that if you have done help to anybody, you please forget it. Otherwise what will happen? Your ego will increase. Therefore whatever help you have given, you please forget it. First thing. Second thing, if anybody behaved very badly with you, very badly, then you forget about it. Don't keep in your mind. So these 2 things you have to forget, and another 2 things you have to keep in your mind. This third thing you have to keep in your mind, that means death will come to me at any time. You always remember in your mind that death will come to me. If you are remembering always that death will come to me, then you will do best work each and every moment in your life. And therefore we have to remember that death will come to me. Third thing. And fourth and last thing, that means what? Our actions, we are owner of our action. You keep always in your mind. If you have done skillful action, you will be great in your life. So in this way, whatever advice is given to you today, because I have given only 7 minutes of time, and within that 7 minutes I have to cover up all these things. So I am very grateful, Padmamani, Ratnaraj, Smita Madam, and all.
परंतु मला असं वाटतं की आपण विजयादशमी दिवस हा 14 ऑक्टोबरला सेलिब्रेट केला पाहिजे. आपण इकडे दसरा सेलिब्रेट करतो म्हणून 14 ऑक्टोबरचं महत्त्व, मला असं वाटतं की 14 ऑक्टोबरचं आपण महत्त्व कमी करतो आहे. म्हणून तुमच्या सदसद विवेक बुद्धीला जर पटेल, मी अशी बिलकुल म्हणत नाही की तुम्ही साजरा करू नका, परंतु माझं म्हणणं असं आहे की जर तुमच्या सदसद विवेक बुद्धीला पटत असेल, ॲज अन स्टुडंट ऑफ अन उर्गेन इंटरनॅशनल, आणि ज्यांचा आज बर्थडे आहेत, रिस्पेक्टेड दानमजरा सर, यांच्या आपण विद्यार्थी असल्यामुळे आपल्या डोक्याचा व्यवस्थित, आपल्या बुद्धीचा व्यवस्थित उपयोग करून, विचार करून त्या दिवसाचा आपण काय केलं पाहिजे तर सेलिब्रेट केलं पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. थँक्यू.